You open Claude, type a prompt, get an impressive answer, and 10 minutes later, you're doing everything manually again. And the problem probably isn't Claude. The problem is that you're using AI like a chat instead of using it like a working tool. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to identify where AI can actually change the way you work. Think about a normal working day. You research information, you write emails, you analyze competitors, you create content, you prepare reports, you respond to customers. Most people look at these tasks separately, but AI should be approached differently. Don't start by asking, what can Claude do? Start by asking, which repetitive processes are taking most of my time? Frequency, time, and predictability of the result. If a task happens frequently, takes significant time, and has a relatively predictable outcome, it may be a strong candidate for AI. For example, don't think only write an email for me. Think about the larger process. Every week, I receive requests, classify them, prepare responses, and identify the most promising leads for the next step. That is no longer just a prompt, that is a process. And this is where the difference begins between someone who simply uses Claude and someone who builds AI powered ways of working. You stop asking, what prompt should I write? And start asking, which part of my work should AI help me handle? That change in thinking is much more important than learning another 100 prompts. In the next video, we'll look at the other side of the equation. Because knowing what AI can do isn't enough. You also need to know what you should never simply hand over to AI. Continue to the next lesson in this free course. And once you complete the full series, you'll be able to decide whether you're ready to go deeper with the complete Claude business and automation program on Udemy.